Topmotors.lt. All engine parts in one place. What are you looking for your engine? Whatever your answer, Topmotors.lt probably covers it.
As one of the leading worldwide companies specialized in new and renewed engine parts, Topmotors.lt has developed its services to cover your needs. Let us take a look at what Topmotors.lt can help you.
Topmotors.lt services.
Supplying all engine parts. Reconditioning services.
Why Topmotors.lt?
Topmotors.lt is a trusted engine parts supplier and has a specialized team of high-caliber and technically qualified professionals. So, the technical know-how is guaranteed by Topmotors.lt. With Topmotors.lt you will find the best quality and the best prices in the market. Topmotors.lt takes care of its valuable Vlon-Spy customer service team who is available to reply your inquiries.
Topmotors.lt. Contacts us. WhatsApp, Viber. +370 666 86665.